You're welcome. You are from?
Yeah, I'm from Dhangadi actually. So Dhangadi.
Okay, actually we were having a different meeting at the other place. Now we are connecting back here. Just
right now I am in Kathmandu, but I am
great
from Dhangadi. I belong to Dhangadi, Nepal.
So you were there in the seminar at that time?
No, this it is the first time.
No, I was there in Dhangadi. Now we had one seminar there.
Okay. So I was not there. So I'm working in Kathmandu recently.
Okay, so Umesh invited you or Shushmita?
Susmita.
What do you do?
So I'm a teacher.
Mathematics teacher?
Mathematics teacher. Recently I'm working in Imperial World School.
In Kathmandu itself?
Yeah, Kathmandu.
Great. So how do you, why do students have a fear of mathematics?
Because of so many things, not only one thing is there. So actually that is the misconception that is provided by teachers and our school environment, and somewhat role is played by curriculum also. And another thing, so teaching methodologies, as well as most of us are teaching students in traditional way without connecting mathematics to our real life, daily life. So students are not able to find the connection of mathematics to their day-to-day life activities. So there are so many reasons.
Okay.
They feel little bit fear in mathematics.
Little bit. What I observed, if you ask somebody some question to math students, they'll say we'll find it on the calculator. So do you think it is a little fear?
So that is the positive stick, so if we say a little bit, then confident to remove that fear from the students.
For every small thing they want calculator, so what is the positivity in this? Nothing.
Yeah, of course.
That is what is happening, because
not only to the students nowadays, because of different devices that we are using, software, calculator. We also need calculator nowadays. So we are losing our mental abilities. It is not only the problem of students.
No, I always say it is not their problem. It is the methodology. It is the teachers who taught them the wrong way. Now, the very first thing is that everybody teaches you should not cram anything. You should learn and understand the things. And in the maths class, we ask them to cram. We start asking them to cram tables. They don't know what is cramming. We only introduce them with the cramming part. Okay, so have you ever gone through this Vedic math concepts?
Yes.
Do you know something about Vedic mathematics?
Yeah, I'm interested in Vedic mathematics, so I have watched some videos on YouTube channel, but yeah, I have little bit ideas, but not that much.
No, not an issue. Whatever you learn, whatever you did you compare it with your conventional mathematics?
I have not.
So what topic?
Actually,
what topic you had gone through, or what topic you learned from in Vedic mathematics?
So there are some shortcut tricks. Actually, I don't know. So I have found in YouTube channel. So they are, so they might not be believable also. I have seen some shortcut mathematical tricks related to multiplication, addition, subtraction, finding square, finding cube roots, finding cubes.
Finding square root and cube root. See, now how do you do in a class? You do by factorization or the division method.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
And if I am able to do the same by just visualization, what is bad in that?
Yeah, nothing bad.
And that means I'm
No,
using
no,
my
no.
brain.
I feel the importance of Vedic mathematics.
That
That's
is
why
what.
I'm here.
No, no. Why I was just asking you because I felt you have some knowledge and definitely you touch the parts which the things which so many I have not heard in Nepal at least. So you were
Yeah. Whatever I have learned related to Vedic mathematics, I have tried to share with the students in my class also. But I know a little bit. So I know Vedic mathematics is like a Mahasagar. So I know only few of drops regarding Vedic mathematics.
okay.
And I'm hopeful that we'll learn from this.
Now today we have Ask Me Now session where you can clear your doubts regarding this. But definitely there are 3 steps. See, first step is first you come up with your doubts, your questions, your any query you have. Then we have a workshops, a 2 days workshop where we deal with certain concepts of certain insights of Vedic mathematics, and apart from that, how to start your own classes. The third is a teacher training program where you get in-depth knowledge of arithmetics as well as algebra. So that is generally 10 weeks to 14 weeks program, a 65 hours program where this is dealt in depth, right? One-on-one, it's like one-on-one classes and you learn a lot. Yes, Kamal Pukhrel, you have raised your hand. Please tell me, how can I help you? Kamal? Prem Sharma? Okay, Kamal has gone. Prem has gone. Yes, yes, Joshi. Yes, please. You can continue, promote Joshi. Okay, so which class you are taking right now? Which standard?
Yeah, secondary level.
Sorry?
Secondary level.
Secondary means your 9th, 10th or what? 11th, 12th?
So here up to 12.
Up to 12th. Okay, and right from 8th, 9th, only 11th, 12th.
Yeah.
So what are the topics we have in mathematics in secondary level?
Yeah, in mathematics.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are so many things in our curriculum. Sets in arithmetic. So we are focusing. So especially in 9 and 10. So there are 2 steps in 9 and 10, and in 11 and 12. If I have to talk about grade 9 and 10, sets, probability, trigonometry, and then compound interest, and then percentage, and then profit and loss, mark price, discount, VAT problems are there, and some algebraic expression, and some problems related to algebraic expression. So finding their HCF, LCM, simplification of rational algebraic expression, and some geometrical problems, theorems related to triangles, circles, parallelograms.
Okay, see, whatever we do, either it is trigonometry, either it is percentage, or it is compound interest, the ultimate point is, first thing is we should know the basic operations. First thing we should know is how to multiply or add or divide fast. That is more important, right? Because
yeah,
if we are not clear with those things, how can we do further? So let me clarify one doubt. See, Vedic mathematics, it has got 16 sutras and 13 sub sutras. Now, what is sutra means? The same. Your formulas in maths, or we call it as techniques, formulas, and we call it as sutras in this particular subject, Vedic mathematics. And now with the help of these 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, we can do problems in arithmetic. So that covers entire your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, your squares, cubes, square roots, cube roots. Then algebra, that is also. Now, if I give you one equation, 2x square plus 4x plus 6 multiplied by 6x square plus 3x plus 4. Now, this simple equation, what you'll do, you'll open and you'll have 9 terms. Correct. Then you'll add, subtract, and it will take 3 to 4 steps. Do you know this whole procedure can be done in a single line in Vedic maths? Then you do you know something about divisibility? Yes, Joshi. Do you know something about divisibility? Okay, my signals are there. Am I audible? Yes, Sandesh. You have any questions? Kamal, you raised your hand earlier.
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
I'm a new in this
Don't
platform.
worry, everyone is new. See, this
I
session
don't know. I don't know what is Vedic mathematics.
Okay, क्या करते हैं
I'm a
आप?
teacher also in secondary level.
Subject.
Mathematics teacher.
Okay, maths के teacher हैं.
But
मैं आपको
I face many difficulties in teaching sector.
मैं
Is
अभी
there
अभी
any?
yes, that is what we focus on. See, अब मैं बता देता हूँ वैदिक मैथ्स क्या है, आपके मैथ्स को इजी और फास्ट बना देता है. So
Yes,
मैथ्स
sir,
के
yes.
टीचर हैं तो you should know Vedic mathematics.
I want to then I want to learn Vedic mathematics, but
Yes, so
I
see,
don't know. I'm fully new.
don't
I
worry,
hope
don't worry.
help.
We have a 2 days workshop. You can share. Who invited you, Umesh or Sushmita ma'am?
Susmita ma'am invite me
So Umesh,
first.
you can talk to her or sir. We have a workshop every Saturday and Sunday. So that 2 days, you will learn a lot about Vedic mathematics and how to launch your own classes. See, it's not difficult, but the thing is, we are unaware of this treasure. It will make your maths very simple, very easy. I met many teachers in Dhangadi when I was there for a workshop. For example, okay, you are a maths teacher. Can I ask you one question?
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
How much time you need to write a table of 89? Yes. How much time we need to write a table of 89?
It takes a few minutes, 1 minute.
1 minute. And what if you are able to write in 10 seconds?
No, sir.
See, what is math?
Yes.
That's what I'm telling you. Vedic maths is what makes your maths very fast, very simple, and mentally. Like what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? So it is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. So I'm calculating that mentally. Right.
May
So
I ask something, sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Is Vedic mathematics used in for fundamental calculation only, or more than that? Limits, function, derivative integration,
Yeah,
like
I'll
this.
tell you. See, Vedic maths is possible. It covers entire arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, determinants, conics,
Yes, sir.
and even organic
Topology
chemistry.
also.
But the point is,
Yeah.
now, did topology in the first year? We started maths. We start maths in class 1, and we reach to topology in class 10 or 11. Now,
Yes, sir. Yes.
then we expect in Vedic maths, yes, we should learn within half an hour. That is not practical. So first we need to understand basic arithmetic, because without the 4 operations of arithmetic, whatever you do. Now I'll give you one example. You have a value of pi when you find a square. When you find a circle, pi r square.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right? You know what is the value of pi? It is 22 by
I
7.
know.
And
Yeah.
you know, whenever any number is divided by 7, whenever any number is divided by 7, the result is always the same 5 digits repeated again and again. One, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. So these are the 6 numbers. If you write down in one series, you never have to find the complete answer. Just check with first digit.
Yes.
The moment you get first digit, write all the other thereafter. And what do? We keep on doing the full calculation using the full page. So Vedic maths is so much mental calculations. Now I'll give you very simple one concept: division by 9. What is quotient and remainder if you divide? I'll give you one big question. Okay, let me check one question. Okay, let's say it is only 123. So what is the quotient and what is the remainder? Or how do you divide by 9? You know, you don't have to make that graph and that complete tree. Let's say it is 242 divided by 9. So the quotient is 2 slash 4, 2 plus 4. So that means 26 is quotient and 6 plus 9, 15 becomes remainder. Now, whenever you get remainder more than 9, so what do? You subtract again. Right? So this way, it's so easy.
You share screen.
Just hold on. I'll show you. I'll show you. See, if a question is 2, 4, 1 divided by 9. Now here we have a concept of known as balancing line. So quotient is nothing but 2 slash, this slash is nothing, it's not division, it is here called as balancing line. A
divide.
No, it is not divide. And here it is A plus B. So A plus B is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, only digits. And remainder is the 6 plus 1, 7. Finish. All the digits added together gives you the remainder, and first 2 digits gives you the quotient. And what do? We make this tree and solve completely. Whatever big number, whatever number you 5 digits, 6 digits, you can think. Let's say we have, I'll give you one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here the quotient is 1. Then 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then 1, 2, 3. So that becomes 6. Then 10. Now you don't, maybe you are not aware about this balancing line, but this will become 1370. And remainder is what? All the digits added together. So that gives 15. But in this particular case, now 15 is bigger than 9. So we'll just subtract. So my final remainder is 6 and quotient get increased by 1. That's all. So see how much time saved. You can do anything mentally in Vedic maths. Now this is division by 9. Division by 7, division by 3.
Possible to divide another number also.
Sorry,
Uh,
give any number.
like 7, 2, 5.
Sorry.
Is this process can work similar way if we divide the number same as 7 also?
In 7, the answer after decimal is always the same. That we call it as Saptam Gunyat. That means whenever you divide any number with 7, the answer would always be in one series. So that I told you this. You can write like this: 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. So suppose you have to divide by 1 by 7. Now 1 by 7 means only you need to find the first digit. So 7, that means first digit would be 1. So rest is same: 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. You can check in on your calculators or whatever do. We don't have to find again. 2 by 7. Now 2 by 7 means first digit will come 2, because 7 2s are 14. So second will come, so it is 0.285714. Got it? So this is known as Kevalam Saptam Gunyat. See, in Vedic maths, every number has a unique property, and that is what we learn mentally.
First we need to know the every number properties.
Now when we are using our brains, we'll remember everything. It's not that difficult, but the thing is, now you are in exam. If you are calculating this by this system, you'll take 2 minutes to find out, and here you'll take 2 seconds or 10 seconds. So definitely it is more important, because at the time of examination, it is always race against time. The confidence level matters a lot, right? So this all depends how you do the things. Yes, anything other? Any questions you have?
No, sir. No.
Yes, Sandesh. Bhola Raj Gautam.
How we are taking this class, sir?
Sir, right now I am taking all the classes on Zoom. So even workshops would be on Zoom, and then recording is shared with you after the classes. So workshops are for 2 days, and classes, regular classes, which is starting on next Monday, that is known as.
And what are we doing actually? So basic course or advanced course also?
Now, how do you define advanced course or basic course?
That means there might be some system.
See, I'm training on 6 levels, 6 steps. So I'm an author also, I'm a certified trainer also, and all the topics covered are, I'll share you with the syllabus. You can have, I'm just sharing my number.
I mean to say that, so we are going to study maximum topics of Vedic mathematics. Is it so?
Yes.
How many classes will be there?
See, now it depends. Now, if you are going for a batch, there are 2 kinds of batches. One is known as weekend batches. That means only Saturdays and Sundays. One is weekdays, Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Now, second thing is what time you are devoting. So total time, total classes takes around 60 plus hours. It is generally 65, 66. Let's say it is 60 hours. So if you are giving like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 2 hours, so that means 6 hours in a week. So that batch will go for 10 weeks minimum. So it would be 10 plus 1, 11 weeks. So plus minus 10% you can do it. If your batch is 5 to 8 in the evening, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that means 9 hours in a week. So that batch will go for only 6 to 6.5 weeks. Similarly, if it is Saturday, Sunday only, either 6 to 8 in the evening or 9 to 11 in the evening, then it will take 15 weeks to complete. So all depends on the number of hours you are spending. Right. So right now on this Monday, coming Monday, we are starting with a new batch that is that would be from 9 to 11. And before that, if you want to understand the some concepts of Vedic mathematics, the insights, and how to start your own classes, that we have on Saturdays and Sunday. So this generally we have those workshops at 2 to 4 p.m. Indian time, and it is not 2 to 4, it goes for 5 plus. So whatever are your queries that has to be resolved. So it takes 2 hours or it takes 3.5 hours, it does not matter. But this is for the first time we are going for a workshop in the evening, late evening, that is 9 to 11 is the time.
In my case, not only in my case, I think other teachers might have this similar problem. So many of the teachers are engaged in the school in the daytime. Yes, so that's why
what I got it, Joshi. That is what, because from last 5 weeks, teachers from Nepal are attending, but they find it difficult on Sundays. So that is what I told. For the first time, we are having workshop at the late night. That is 9 p.m. onwards. So 9 to 11. So at 9, everybody is free, and that was discussed and then finalized this week, the schedule.
Yeah, of course. And what is the payment system? And
payment is for workshop, we are charging 199 IC or 320 Nepali currency, and the Nepali number would be shared with you.
Okay.
Kiran Kumar Sharma, Kiran Kumar Shrestha, Kalpana Power, do you have any questions, any queries? Pramod 40 से
So I'm interested in this program. So
yeah, I'll just share. You can share, or I'll ask Sushmita only to share you the link of the workshop, the registration form, and regarding the payment also. Or Mr. Umesh sir, you can talk to Mr. Joshi.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I will call him tomorrow morning. Sir, YP Joshi sir.
हजुर सर.
त्रिवेणी चोकबाट हैन हजुर चाहिँ?
हो हजुर पनि धनगढीतिरै हो?
हजुर सर, म यहाँ अत्रेबाट.
ए हजुर. अत्रे कहाँनिर बस्नुहुन्छ?
ए चोकतिरै हो सर, पहाड लाइनमा.
ए हजुर.
यस,
म हजुरलाई भोलि बिहान फोन गर्छु.
स्योर.
स्योर.
Any Kalpana, Kiran, Sandesh? Pramod? So Umesh, I think if they don't have any questions, we'll. Yes.
सो साथीहरूले चाहिँ टोटल कस्ट कति हो भनेर सोध्दै हुनुहुन्छ। टोटल कस्ट चाहिँ स्याटरडे सन्डे वर्कसपको 320 रुपिज मात्रै हो। 2 दिनको वर्कसप 3 आवर्स। फुल कोर्सको चाहिँ 13,000 प्लस आइसी हुन्छ, 13,000 आइसी हुन्छ फुल कोर्सको चाहिँ। सन्देश सर प्लिज let me clear, sir, please clear you. Sandesh sir asking the question for.
Boliye sir. Yes.
Sandesh sir wants full course, so he wants the. संदेश सर का के लिए फुल कोर्स का कितने पैसे लगेंगे वो बोल रहे हैं, सो पूछ रहे हैं।
वो तो 12,999, so approximately 13,000 IC. That in that you'll get one set of books also. Yes, anyone else? See, now you're saying what should we do for the full course? See, we are coming up with seminars every day. So who will train all the students? We also need trainers at the back end in Nepal. So I'm creating the business who will be teaching them. I cannot teach each and every person, every student. We are creating awareness. So definitely tomorrow you'll have more students to teach. And second thing, knowledge never goes off. See, now for knowledge, we all are here. Right? So if you have any further questions, you can connect to me directly. I'll share, you can have numbers from Mr. Umesh. Any queries you have anytime, you can, you're most welcome.
So recently you are from India, sir?
Yeah, I'm from India.
So are we doing anything more today, or
no,
we are going to depart?
This is just a question answer session where people can ask their queries. So I don't think now any queries left. So we'll just wrap it out. Thank you very much for being here. And because we were having another session from 8 to 9, the same. So that's why I think everybody was there. Right. So thank you, everyone, and good night. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Why it is not.